Fáilte roimh go fáil mí mis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 Topic Cead ag Déanamh socruithe. Level A1 Topic 14 Making Arrangements. Level A1 Topic Cead Rannóg ag Déanamh socruithe cuid a dó ag díriú a bheith ag Labhairt. Level A1 Topic 14 Section 1 Making Arrangements Part 2 Focusing on Speaking. Le múna, ceist de chur rinne an méid sé saoir agus an cheist sin a ragart, asking someone if they will be free and answering that question. Thabhairt, dócádaí sosialta, referencing different social occasions. Ceist de chur rinne, cén uair a bheith rud éigin ar siúl agus an cheist sin a ragart, asking someone what time something will be going on and answering that question. Cuire a thuairt de rinne, giving someone an invitation. Ghlacha le agus dúil tú de chura, accepting and declining an invitation. By an bhilneog ag déanamh socruithe ó cáidí uait don gníomhaíoch seo, so you'll need the handout Making Arrangements Occasions for this activity. Check gá íomhá suas ar an scáileán. Two images will appear on the screen. Bhaíocht córá díreach cosúil leis an gceann ar an scáileán a chuma. You will have to compose a conversation just like the one on the screen. Chuirfeadh duine é tús leis an gcórá. Person A will start the conversation. Bei sé ag dul chuig ócáid, an ócáid atá ar an chárta. He will be going to an event, the event listed on the card. Ní bheidh duine bí in ann dul chuig an ócáid sin, mar bei sé ag dul chuig an ócáid eile, an ócáid atá ar an dara chárta. Person B will not be able to go to that event because he will be going to the other event, the event on the second card. Má tharlaíonn sé go dagan an ócáid chéanna suas, bei ar duine bí ghlacha leis an gcuire. So if the same event happens to come up, person B will have to accept the invitation. Cuir an fiseán ar cheall ar feadh cúpla nóiméad nuair atá an chóra á dhéanamh agat. Turn the video off for a few minutes while you're creating the conversation. And here's one more example of the conversation. Díreach a cheann, dismurcha a mhaire, conas atá tú inniu, tá go brá agus tú féin, éon scéal. Tá go díal, bei brethláth ife an de híine, an maith tú saoir? Bei mé an, go hiontach. Don't forget to use greetings and questions and normal conversation like you would have if you were meeting up with a friend and inviting them to go somewhere. Chórá a haim. Tá duine A ag dul chuig kosher. Tá duine B ag dul chuig drama. Chur an fiseán ar ceall ar feadh cúpla nóiméad nuair atá an chóra á dhéanamh agat. Chórá a dó. Tá duine A ag dul chuig ceol churm, agus tá duine B ag dul chuig pósa. Anois, chuir an fiseán ar ceall ar feadh cúpla nóiméad agus tú ag obair. Chórá a trí. Tá duine A ag dul chuig kosher, agus tá duine B ag dul chuig an kosher freisin. Anois, chuir an fiseán ar ceall ar feadh cúpla nóiméad agus scríobh amach an chórá. Cén uair caitheann. Cén uair when. Cén uair when. Caitheann, also when. So we use either one of these when asking when. When will it happen? So listen to the following two conversations and see if you understand them. Liam. A Míle, bei brethláth níomh ann ag an deire seachtaine. Síle, céan uair, dé sathairn, bhean, a éimear, ba cruinniú mór an teachtain sichuan. Cathain, dé luan. Ar thuig tú na cóiráite, did you understand the conversations? Well, in order to answer the conversations, céan uair, cathain, we need to be able to speak about time. So first we'll go over the days of the week and then different times, today, tomorrow, etc. Léigeanta na seachtaine, days of the week. We've covered these previously, so we'll go over them very briefly. We'll just read through them. Dé luan, dé máirt, dé céadín, déardín, dé híne, dé sathairn, dé dónaig. Monday, dé luan, Tuesday, dé máirt, Wednesday, dé céadín, Thursday, déardín, Friday, dé híne, Saturday, dé sathairn, Sunday, dé dónaig. And déardín has the day built in, so you don't need to say dé déardín, just déardín. Amárach, tomorrow, amárach, tomorrow. Oíche amárach, tomorrow night, oíche amárach, tomorrow night. Dé sathairn sichuan ag a hocht. This coming Saturday at 8. Dé sathairn sichuan ag a hocht. And you might also hear sichugan. An deire seachtaine sichuan. No, an deire seachtaine sichugan. This coming weekend. An deire seachtaine, the weekend. And now I'll have you repeat those after me. Amárach, amárach. Oíche amárach. Oíche amárach. Dé sathairn sichugan ag a hocht. Dé sathairn sichugan ag a hocht. An deire seachtaine sichugan. An deire seachtaine sichugan. And now your chance to read them by yourself. And now let's read through the following conversation together. The first time I'll be Anya and you can be Moira, and the second time you can be Anya and I'll read the part of Moira. A Moira, beg brehlo Antoinette an ag an teachtain sichugan. Dé híne an naig tú saoir? Agus inis, tosa Anya agus mise Moira. Cathain. Bai. Bai an bhilleog ag Déanamh socruithe cathain uait an chníomhaíoch seo. You'll need a handout ag Déanamh socruithe making arrangements when for this activity. Cathain. Lei na habartí seo a leanas faoi ócáidí éagsúla. Read the following sentences about different occasions. Scríobh síos cathain a bheith gach ócáid ar siúl. Write down when each event will take place. Úsáid an folklór seo a leanas mar threoir. Use the following vocabulary as a guide. Amárach, cúideag nó tríochlag. Oíche amárach, dé luan sichuan nó dé luan sichugan. An deire seachtaine sichugan. By brehlo Aoife ann, by kosher Rory ann, by Banish Maria ann. By Session Kyo ann, by Drama Louis ann, by Posa Sergio ann. Anish, Leon Isteach na Barney, and now fill in the blanks with the appropriate times. Anois, scríobh inniu sa bhosca ceart sa chéad líne den chreile híos. And now write today or inniu in the correct box in the grid below. So if today's Tuesday when you're hearing this, write down inniu in the box for Déanamh. Anois, éistlám agus líon isteach na hócádaí a luan mé sna spás na chuí. And now listen to me and fill in the occasions that I mention in the correct spaces. By sesiún ceol an oíche de híne. By drama manual an máirt se thugan. By banis Alice an deir seachtaine se thugan. By brethláth Marian an déardín ag a cuaig. By pósa ben an de dónig. By kosher Ingrid an amárach ag a hocht. Léhi mé tríd a ríis. I'll read through them one more time so you can check. By sesiún ceol an oíche de híne. By drama manual an máirt se thugan. By banis Alice an deir seachtaine se thugan. By brethláth Marian an déardín ag a cuaig. By pósa ben an de dónig. By kosher Ingrid an amárach ag a hocht. Agus anois na freagraí. By sesiún ceol an oíche de híne. By drama manual an máirt se thugan. By banis Alice an deir seachtaine se thugan. By brethláth Marian an déardín ag a cuaig. By pósa ben an de dónig. By kosher Ingrid an amárach ag a hocht. For the purposes of these answers, inniu onward, today is Tuesday. If you put in a different day, your answers will be different. So by sesiún ceol an oíche de híne, there will be a session Friday night. By drama manual an máirt se thugan, Manuel's play will be next Tuesday. By banis Alice an deir seachtaine se thugan, Alice's wedding will be next weekend. By brethláth Marian an déardín ag a cuaig, Marian's birthday will be Friday at 5. By pósa ben an de dónig, Ben's wedding will be Sunday. By kosher Ingrid an amárach ag a hocht, Ingrid's party will be tomorrow at 8. Míle, months. Rachami tríd na míle inis. We'll go through the months now. Anar, January. Fiara, February. Márta, March. Abron, April. Bealtaine, May. Meitheamh, June. I'll go through those one more time. Anar, Fiara, Márta, Abron, Bealtaine, Meitheamh. Úl, July. Lunasa, August. Meán September. Deireadh October. Samhain, November. Nullig, December. Again, the last 6. Úl, Lunasa, Meán Deireadh, Samhain, Nullig. And now I'll have you repeat them after me. Anar, Anar. Fiara, Fiara. Márta, Márta. Abron, Bealtaine, Bealtaine. meitheamh, meitheamh. Úl, úl. Lúnasa, lúnasa. Meán fóir, meán fóir. Dearg fóir, dearg fóir. Samhain, samhain. Nullig, nullig. And you'll notice we get the names for Halloween and Christmas from the names of the months. Ítheanna, Halloween. Nullig, Christmas. And now I'll have you read them aloud yourself. An chéad cheann eile, the next one. Dearg mé mí leat, mar hampla Abrán. I will tell you a month, for example, April. Bhaint an chéad bhí eile ará, mar hampla bealtaine. You will need to say the next month, for example, May. An sin dearg mé mí eile, agus bhaint an chéad bhí eile ará. Then I'll say another month and you will have to say the next month. Leanamh the raig mar sin. We will continue like that. Gurmid luas leis an glutha, de réir mar héan sé a raig. We'll speed up the game as we go along. I will say the name of the month first and then pause and put the answer up on the screen. An bhfuilte raig, are you ready? Abrán, bealtaine. Anir, fiara. Úl, lúnasa. Fiara. Márta, lúnasa. Meán fóir. Samhain. Nullig. And a little faster, beag an níos tapúla an uair this time. Márta, Abrán. Meán fóir. Dearg fóir. Nullig. Anir. Bealtaine. Meitheamh, meitheamh. Úl. Dearg fóir. Samhain. Cad faoin na míana I de cheann go féin. What about the months in your own language? An bhfuil éon cosúlachtaí idir míana I de cheann go féin agus míana in Gaeilge. Are there any resemblances or similarities between the months in your language and the months in Irish? Na míana lean. Months continued. Teachig ibhreacha suas an scáilán. Bhaint an tord ibhreach den bhí a lua. So numbers will appear on the screen and you will need to state the name of the month in the order. So for example, mar hampla, ibhrití Márta. So March is the third month. So if we have a 3, Márta, ibhreacht lúnasa, agus mar sin de, and so on. An bhfuilte raig. Nullig. Lúnasa. Úl. Dearg fóir. Bealtaine. Márta. Samhain. Abrán. Meán fóir. Anir, Fiara, Mehith. Agus sin deire le Rannóg a héan ag Déanamh socruithe. And that's the end of section 1, making arrangements. Ceist de chur rinne an meid se sléir agus an cheist sin a ragart, asking somebody if they'll be free and answering that question. Thabhairt dócádaí sosialta, mentioning different occasions, social occasions. Ceist de chur rinne cén uair a bheith rudéig in ar siúl agus an cheist sin a ragart, asking someone what time something will be going on and answering that question. Cuire a thuairt do dhuine, giving someone an invitation, agus ghlacha le agus diúil tú do chura, accepting or declining an invitation. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.